Right, let's go. So I suppose the other thing I should mention is my mechanical tools, at least, are probably lacking, so we're going to have to get some stuff as we go. Yeah, so let's take some fairings off. It's got to be. Just held on by wire. So there's obviously some sort of grommet thing that holds that in. Get that sorted. Right. I think we'll just snip that off quite frankly. Oh my word. There. Right, let's get the seat off. Nice. The bolt's just gone, so I'm going to have to probably drill that thing out. Lovely. Oh my god. Yeah, gonna definitely need a new seat. We're gonna got a rip on the top. Well, a new cover, I think, because I can see you can get them. Yeah, I'll show you around. Right. So that's the side fairings off, really, front and back, but under here, it's all this stuff that's bugging me. But I don't reckon that's. I mean, if anyone knows any better, let me know, but I don't think that's too bad, right? Clean it up, sand it, whatever we have to do. Some primer and new paint on the frame. I'm amazed it's got that. It must get a lot of moisture up there then or something, because that's... must be from the tyre maybe flicking up. Yeah. So, yeah, and then there's other bits here, like this fuel tank's going to need sorting out. I don't know where you can touch that up or if it's easy enough to get painted. Or spraying it if we can. That'd be a letdown for it. Yeah. Right. What next? Fuel tank. I reckon. Can't be too hard. That there, fixed in there, I think. There's obviously a tube going to it somewhere. Where's the carburetor then? It's on the other side, isn't it? Well, we will get to grips with everything on this bike by the end of it, I'm sure. There's a power valve. There's a carburetor there. Right, let's see what happens when we take that bolt off then, see if that springs it loose. So you want to spray it. Spray it up. So this must be the air filter then. Is that right? Is that actually the air filter? Yeah, I think it is, isn't it? You see, it's going to sit on that. Just going to pop this over there a second. Give me some more hands to work with. Yeah, then. It's obviously connected via a pipe. I have to put you up a second. Let's pop you on there. No, I can go a bit closer. There we go. I don't think there's any fuel in this tank, but be safe to make sure it's all off. And yeah, that's off there. Sweet. So okay, I think I got it. No, I think it was just pulled. I just push it forward a little bit. And it just comes free. So maybe it's got some. Yeah, it's got two sort of lugs that like lock into it, which is fine. Now we know. So we get this hose off, I suppose, next. There we go. There we are. And that is the fuel tank. Cool. Bit of rusting in there as well. Not the colour though. Right. Where do we go from there? Keep on going, I suppose. Let's spray a few things up. Right, I've decided to mark out so I don't forget bright yellow where I've got to drill out, because there's another one. They're getting numerous now and I'll forget. I'll show you. Yeah, we got these. So that one there. Let's see it focus. There you go. That's kind of snap for sure. And the other one ain't in great shape either. This is okay. There's some more bolts in there then. I'll show you. I'm trying to get all this off down here. But it's sort of split into two pieces, and let's see the battery housing here. I'm just taking that out. And there's just one bolt there, one bolt there. Looking pretty good shape. I expect it's probably quite well protected under the battery, or by the battery. And then I think that's the air filter behind there. Not quite sure what that is. We're definitely going to find out. Fairly big piece. What's that then? I'm not sure that's not supposed to happen. Okay, push that in there, and that probably shouldn't be pushed in. Actually, but I've got it now. this is actually, he does need to come off first because he's tied under it, he goes through it. Right, let's pull this off. So I'm going to leave that on there as a means of reference. I mean, is that a piece of pipe? That is a pipe. Where does it go? There's just some sort of drip point somewhere through the frame. There's a piece there. That's coming out of the, what looks like the carburettor, to be honest. There we go, mysteries. Once I've drained them to that, I can pull you through there, blow you through there, exactly to the top of the radiator. Cool. So this is like the air section. Just chuck that in there as well. What the hell that is. Let's get this stuff here. Let's do that over there. I'm just going to screw the no gasket, that's got no gasket on there. Oh, maybe it has. Yeah, there's something there. Try and keep this family friendly. There it is, let's mark him up. Well, we are making progress.